All right, friends, how are you today? It's Aaron here bringing you your horoscope for Thursday, the 6th of June, 2019. And what a day it is, right? This Thursday. We've got Mercury in Cancer. The moon is in Cancer. The moon is opposing all of that good stuff up in Capricorn. Saturn, the South Node, Pluto. Late last night, it made its conjunction to the North Node. Today, it's a little, drifting away, but it's still making that connection to both sides in Cancer and to Capricorn. Mercury is, in the depths now of Cancer. It is squaring Chiron. Mental anguish. I'm not enough. I'm not good enough. I'm not smart enough. I don't have enough energy. I don't have enough. I'm not pretty enough. I'm not handsome enough. I don't have the stamina. Whatever it is. I don't have enough zippity-doo in my day. This is like just sucking kind of the energy out for a lot of folks. And this is today's message is, hey, you are enough. You can. Later in the day, the moon is going to be moving into Leo. Leo is this, the hearth that keeps on burning, the fire energy that sustains the heat of the summer. So although we have this really dragged down, hopefully not everyone's feeling that, but I know a lot of friends are out there. So it's why we, do this to encourage the positive sides of things when we're feeling kind of down, feeling lethargic. We don't want to leave our comfort zone. Let me show you the chart real quick just to show you what it looks like. I mean, it's noon right now. This is a little bit late in the day for me to get you an astrology reading. But this is what's going on. This is where we're at. Moon's here, 28 degrees. We've got, by 4 or 5 o'clock today, it's going to be in Leo. Sun's smack dab here in the middle of Gemini. We're creating this T-square, okay? So it's like, Jupiter and Neptune. Or not a T-square. It is a T-square. So it's just like the sun here in Gemini is squaring Neptune, which is squaring Jupiter. This is learning our limits. And what information do we have that sparks our fire, sparks our light to shine? We have a lot of our light energy right now, our moon, our planet of action, our emotional needs, our intellect, the way that our brain is functioning, the way that we're communicating with the outside world. This is all in Cancer. This is all kind of being buried underneath the emotions. And with this Chiron here that I was just talking about, squaring, this is just putting us in a mental check of, again, it's just like, it's like you have, you're against the crossboards here, and you have every like little, no one likes you, just like whispering in your ear, like, why do this? Just give up now. It's just like checking you, and you're like, I just want to, I don't know, I'm making a hockey reference, but like, just get the puck and skate out of here, and you're just being bullied into this corner. I don't know, hockey, whatever. But whatever, so it's like we've got a lot of this energy going on, this kind of bring it down. And this is tough. So it's like later on, when the moon enters Leo, okay, we're going to get this spark of fire. And this is what we need to bring us out from this depths, it's just like shining this mega spotlight on into the depths of the ocean here so we can see exactly what we're looking at. What are we trying to find here when we're going down so deep into our own, emotional abyss? It's just like where it's like this connection. Where did this trauma happen? Where did this trauma happen that led you to believe that you're not enough? Where did this trauma happen? At what point that made you think that you're not beautiful, that you're not special, that you're not loved? Where did it happen? Maybe we can figure it out over these next 2 months as Mercury is going to be in our emotional water sign of Cancer. And it's going to tell us to let go. Okay? Let go of these thoughts. Let go of these defeating habits and these defeating patterns. Because we have to sustain. This new fire energy is coming up. We got to sustain. If not for us, be there for somebody else. All right? So that's your Thursday. I love you. You are enough. I wish you enough. I wish you a very happy Thursday. Find that fire to make it through the day, because we got another day coming tomorrow. We'll see you then.